Using the UniPrint Management Console is simple. It is completely web-based, making administering and assigning printers or users easy and accessible. Simply log into your web server to begin managing the printers that are configured and set up in the environment. In this demonstration, we have set up a VPQ printer and Xerox printer. The VPQ is a personal printer that is a secure pull printing queue, while the Gateway queue allows you to print directly to the Xerox printer. To begin managing printers and users, click on the Print Pal tool, which gives you access to printer assignment. In this setup, there are 3 groups based on location: Canada, US, and Korea. In the Canada group, the VPQ printer has been assigned all users, allowing anyone in Canada to print to their personal print queue. Inside the Canada group, a Samsung DeX subgroup has also been created, which allows these specific users to print from the VPQ and directly to the Xerox printer. Administrators can easily add or delete printers based on location, devices, organization unit, users, user groups, and IP. Within each group, you can also assign user group rights to specific printers. To begin using UniPrint, users will need to go to the Play Store and install 2 applications: UniPrint Print Service and UniPrint Vault. The UniPrint Print Service app allows users to print directly from any application that supports printing to their assigned printers, while the UniPrint Vault allows users to release their print jobs securely on demand from their Samsung smartphone or smartwatch. To set up UniPrint Print Service, simply open Settings and search for Printing. From there, select Printing and then enable UniPrint Print Service. First-time users will also need to configure their printing settings and type in the correct server URL and login information. Once this has been set up, users will be able to see all printers that have been assigned to them. To begin printing, simply open any application that supports printing and print like you would from a normal desktop. Users can either choose to print directly to their assigned printers or print to their virtual print queue. If printing to the VPQ, users will also have the option of enabling secure printing, which allows users to release print jobs only by using a secure PIN code. With the UniPrint Vault app and VPad device, users can release their print job by using their Samsung smartphone, smartwatch, or smart card. To release from your smart card, simply tap your smart card onto the VPad device and enter in your PIN code. To release a print job from your Samsung smartphone, launch the Vault app and choose your release option using the NFC tag or QR code. Next, tap the NFC tag or scan the QR code on the associated printer, and once verified, select your print job and hit Print. The UniPrint Vault app will also show all past jobs that have been printed previously. To release a document from your Samsung smartwatch, turn on NFC and tap your smartwatch onto the VPad device and enter in your PIN code.